It's been more than a month since an EF-3 tornado tore through Rocky Mount's business district. You can see cleanup efforts here remain, but over here, business owners in this plaza are still out of work.
Nash County is a county that's under the counties that can, get any type of assistance.
This was what Belinda Evans had been told early last week, walking me into Gifted Hands Beauty Salon, a shop she's owned for 6 years.
It smells, I'm sure, because of the water.
It's only her third time back since high winds from Hurricane Helene devastated several of the businesses in the plaza she works in.
It's amazing. The only damage that I sustained, and I was the only one on this strip working, was that right there.
The lights are off and the blinds closed like it's been all month because she says the building hasn't passed inspection.
My landlord said that when the engineer came out to inspect the overall building, there were some shaky bricks done to the foundation.
And even though she's closed, the bills keep piling up. I reached out to the North Carolina Department of Commerce's Employment Security Department and was told as of last week, Nash County was approved for disaster unemployment assistance.
At least that would at least help me until I can get back in here.
It's also a waiting game for other business owners too. The daughter of the owners of Hing Ta told me they're waiting to hear back from the insurance company to see what damage will be covered. Meantime, at Gifted Hands,
they did waive the rent for the month of October. I'm not sure what they're going to do for the month of November.
Belinda has no timeline of when she'll be back to work. She just knows she's burning through her savings to feed her family.
This is a Thursday. I'm supposed to be working with people and, making money and doing what I love to do, not just being here.
In Rocky Mount, Akilah Davis, ABC 11 Eyewitness News.